Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is PRTN Slides and today I'll be showing you on how to create this basic introductory morph transition effect in PowerPoint. For today's tutorial, we will be having two parts. First one would be this introductory part and the second one would be the movement of these images using the morph transition effect. So, let's get started. All right, hi again. So the first thing that we need to do here in our canvas, let's prepare our images. So I have here the ready-made images. The first one would be the main background photo, which would be inserted at the very back of our slide. And then I also have two transparent images of mountains. Just make sure that they have the complementing colors so it would look nice visually. We'll just basically arrange them just like this. And there we have it. So basically we have three layers of images. Alright, so the next thing that we need to do is that we just add our elements such as text and shapes. I have here this glowing circle, color white. So this is the format of it. So this is just basically color white and it has shadow effect. The shadow of it is color white. You could just copy these settings right over here and just make sure that the shadows also in color white. All right, so we will just move this at the back of our first the first layer of our mountain. So we go to shape format and send backward. And it should look like this. So now let's try to add our text. Alright, so I have here the basic text at the top of our presentation. So this is just basically group text with home services about us. So like a website design. So I usually do this so that my presentation would not look like boring at all with simple images. So this simple text would spice up the presentation a little bit for the visual effects of it. So these are just like design text at the top of our presentation, and then I also have this text right over here as well. So this is just like Arial black with 54 font size. And similarly to this circle, they also have their own shadows that is color in color white. So this is the format for the shadows of this text. You could just copy it and you are good to go. All right, so we will just arrange the position of the text. Usually for this, let's put it at the back of the mountain, just like that, and then just arrange it like this. There you go. And if you want, you could arrange your presentation. If you want to increase the size of the mountain, go ahead and do so. It's all up to you. You could feel free to experiment what layout would be suitable on your taste. Alright, so after that, let's just put some elements at the bottom of our present. Alright, so we have here the begin button on our first slide, and we will position it at the middle of our slide right over here. So this is just basically a shape with text inside. And we could also put this at the bottom of our presentation. This is just a shape, rectangular shape, actually rounded rectangular shape with color white shadow as well. Similar setup with the shadow setting of the circle. And this is just basically text and combined shapes. So what mattered the most would be the layout and the positioning of the text and also the shapes on your presentation. It looks simple, but it has like a powerful impact to your audience. All right, so I am done with our introductory design for our presentation. So this is the final output, I guess, after some minimal changes or arrangement of the layout. So the next thing that we need to do is just to duplicate our slide. You could just hit Control D, or you could just right click on the slide and select duplicate slide. There you go. So now we have two copies of our slide. On our first presentation slide, we will rearrange all of these so that it will look awesome when we have the morph transition effect. So this is how I usually do. And I think we are ready. So just select your second slide, go to transition and hit the morph effect. And there you go. That's how you create your morph transition effect or your smooth morph transition effect for the introductory part of your presentation. So let's see the full like presentation slideshow of it. And that's how we create this smooth transition, morph transition for our travel presentation. So there will be part two of this, and I really hope you've learned something from our tutorial for today. So stay tuned for the part two. Please do subscribe and comment down your thoughts. And also, if you have some requests, you comment down below. Feel free to do so, and I'll be happy to create a design or a tutorial about that in the future. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys on the second part of our video tutorial for today. Please do subscribe and comment down below your thoughts. See ya!